To it. Let's jump right into it. Let's see. All right, all right, all right. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Hopefully, everyone is having a beautiful, lovely morning so far. Let's get this thing started off. All right. So 1 second. Like I say every Wednesday for Wealth Wednesday. Got some stuff on my hair right here. We good. So, like I say every Wednesday, I want everybody to take this link and share it out with 5 people. Take this link, share it out with 5 people. Let your family and your friends know that you're about to learn a skill set that's going to change, that can change your life if you put the work into it. If you do not put the work into it, you're wasting your time. But if you do put the work into it, it can change your life. All right? It can definitely change your life. All right, let me do one more thing, and then we're gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna pull this market up so you guys can kind of see the market and see what it's doing right now. Anybody, I never mind, Andrew. I see that you put the pivot points inside of the chart, inside of the list. So let me go grab those pivot points right quick, and then let me.
They're in there.
I appreciate you on the road right now driving.
I'm actually sitting right now. I got the numbers if you want them.
Yeah, throw them to me right quick if you don't mind, my brother.
R2,
All right.
420,
Say R2 420.
54. Yes,
420 64
54.
54. Okay. Ah,
R1,
hold on 1 sec. I had the wrong tool. Let's see. 54 20 54. All right, gotcha.
R1 is 417.31.
Got a nice gap right there, huh? Okay.
Pivot, 415.50.
Ah, it's gonna be an interesting day. Okay.
S1, 412.27.
412.27. We just broke that. Okay.
Yeah, and then S2 is 410.46.
410.46.
Yeah.
All right, got our pivots lined up. I'm gonna come here. I'm going to make this one orange. Voila. Booyah. There we go.
And I hope this thing turns around today.
You want it to turn around.
Yeah, man, I don't think it. I think we're going down that 410 today. So hopefully it comes back up after that.
Yeah, so that next order block is that four what? I think 409, something of that nature.
Yeah,
If I'm not mistaken.
yeah, right in there.
Yeah, I'm about to put all that stuff up in a second.
Kind of like to see it turn around right now, but we'll see that.
Right. I mean, we've had what? So basically, and I'm gonna get into it in a second. We basically just gave away everything we had on that 2 day push up. Basically, just kind of gave it away. That's all. Gave it away. Just gave it right back. Like what we discussed in class a couple weeks ago. You have a nice run up. You consolidate, consolidate, consolidate. Boom. Had that either gonna keep moving up or you're gonna fall down. And what happened right here? We fell down. That's what happened. Let's see. Let's see. Boom. Boom.
But I did get a contract out for a ways, so I mean, if it doesn't come back today, that's fine. But I'd like to see it come back today.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind seeing a crazy bounce and go crazy.
I mean, it is hump day, so.
Right. All right. Let's see something. 1 second.
Everybody's email work this morning
What happened?
for the promised land payment or whatever. I got mine. It worked.
Oh. Let's see.
It was the correct amount, I should say.
Well, that's good. All right. Let's see. Let's get going. Boom, boom. All right.
Good morning. morning. I closed my NVIDIA puts for 57% this morning.
Let's go. Let's go.
Nice.
CYC.
What? Steve. That's sweet.
Good stuff. CYC. Good stuff. 50% profit. Can't beat it. What they say, a bank won't give it to you. Why does it keep doing this? A bank will not give it to you. All right, everybody. All right. If you on my Instagram right now, you want to see my screen, join on to my YouTube channel. If you're on my YouTube channel, tell me where you from, where you from, where you from. On YouTube, tell me where you from. Share this out with your people. Share it out with all of your people. Let them know that we are trading live right now on my YouTube channel. Man, we are.
We can't see your screen.
Oh, y'all cannot see my screen. Okay, appreciate it. Let's go.
Are you recording?
Okay, I thought that was me.
I'm not recording this one on Wednesdays. I don't record the ones on Wednesdays. So leave that one out there, yeah. Because the reason I don't record them on Wednesdays because they're on my YouTube channel. So everybody, let's start off. Let me see, make sure that YouTube can see. If YouTube can see my screen, let's see if they can or not. Nope, they couldn't, but now they can. All right, let's go. The market is open. Everyone, the market is open. This is a beautiful day for the market to be open. We have been on a downward drop. We've been dropping over the past, 2 days, y'all? We dropped about 2 days, yeah, something like that. So we had a nice crazy run up, which I'm going to show you in a second. So right here, if you go back a couple days to go to the 4-hour time frame, you'll see right here, we had a crazy run up. We went from 410 all the way to 420. A nice run from 410 to 420. If we hit 410 today, everybody, I'm buying in. Strong possibility I'm buying in right off that drop, right off of that, right? Anyway, so boom, we hit 410, and over the next 2 days, we went from 410 all the way to 420, right? And then we got consolidation right here. So a lot of money was made right here. A lot of money was made this push-up right here, $10 push-up. Then we had consolidation throughout the night. Throughout this whole day, we had consolidation. And then, starting really yesterday, we had strictly downward push. And then we continuing our downward push. A lot of money being made as well right here on this downward trend. Okay? A lot of money being made on this downward trend as well. Okay? I see something right here. I see a nice little downward trend line that we respecting right around here. I like that. Okay, nice downward trend line we respect on the 4-hour time frame. So I'm gonna draw that over there, and let me add my stuff back in. My volume, AVG. I can just come right here. All right, there we go.
So I still got my trend line up from like a 4-hour.
You do?
Yeah, it's touching that 4-hour trend line going up.
Oh, upward trend line?
Yeah, upward trend line.
Ah, nice. Nice.
Right, about that 410 and going back up. See.
Let me see what happened. Yeah, we coming through some heavy. We got some heavy stuff down here too. So we have right now we're in a 4-hour demand zone and a 4-hour order block right now. Okay, that 4-hour order block goes all the way down to 409. So right here, I'm going to draw. This is basically an order block and it's a demand zone on a 4-hour time frame. To basically that 412-ish area, 412.5 area.
Also on the day chart, we're sitting on what was resistance. Now we're sitting on a support too.
We sitting on a support right now?
Yeah, on the day chart it'd be support. Strong support right now.
Okay. All right. Good stuff. Good stuff. So everybody, right now, let me look at the 1 year, 1 day. And everybody on YouTube, you might not know, have no idea what we're doing right now. We're just getting everything prepared, getting everything together. We broke beneath that 90 in May too on the 1 hour, on the 1 year, 1 day too. We broke beneath. We definitely broke beneath. All right, let's see. 4 hour. Go back to the 15 minute. All right, so we have an order block right here. So we're inside of an order block. We're inside of a strong area. Right now is not the time to be buying puts right now, everybody. It's not the opportunity to be buying puts. You do not buy puts when you're in a heavy demand zone and a heavy order block like we have right now. You do not buy puts in those situations, in those time frames. You be patient, okay? Be very, very, very patient. I see we got people from Greenville, Tuscaloosa, Alabama, New Jersey, Seattle, Cali, Memphis, Columbia, Indianapolis, Cali, baby, Rock Hill, Harlem. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Everybody.
I know, right? We got them all around. All right?
Yeah, that's good.
Remember, send this out to all your people, send out to all your friends, let them know, because once you start making money trading, you should want everybody else to make money as well trading. Okay? Greenville, South Carolina. Let me see the 1 year, 1 day. And let me kind of show you guys the 1 year, 1 day time frame. Yep, so the 1 year, 1 day time frame, the demand zone is right at that 409.5 area. And the order block starts at that 408 area. Okay? Starts at that 408 area. All right, let's go through the other list. Go through our list and see what we see. All right, see what Amazon had a nice small push up, right? Nice small push up. Apple, nice small push up. Go through the big boys, the big five. What I did, Amazon, Apple, looking at Meta now. Meta's okay. Microsoft, nice little. Google's the only one that's kind of holding the weight down right now. See what the VIX is doing. The VIX is shooting up. The VIX has a nice. Look at that nice trend line on the VIX. I mean, nice upward movement on the VIX. Real nice. Went back above 19. We broke above.
We like the VIX.
We like the VIX. We like the VIX right now. I'm not mad at the VIX right now. So what is it telling us, Miss Iola? We know, because we've been down here with the VIX and up here with the VIX, right? We've been both places. So now we're at a high with the VIX right now. So what is that? So what could that possibly tell us about today?
It's a possible push.
There you go. Possible push. We may get some. To the upside.
Push to the upside.
Exactly. We may get some. Movement to the downside. Some downward movement. But with this VIX showing his face, it's showing his hand right now. As far as it's inside that box, it broke outside of the box. Let's see if it pushed back inside of that box. That could tell us a story. That was a nice drop you got on the video too, Miss Iola. Nice drop. Nice 3-day drop actually on the video. Not bad.
Well, I picked up the puts last night, carrying it overnight.
That's smart.
Yep, my calls went to hell, though.
At least you got some of it back, right? At least you got some of it back. Exactly.
That's funny.
That 420, that 420 is an area, right? We know that 420. The GOAT say I'm buying a 410 bounce on SPY. Hey, listen, the GOAT, I might be right there with you. Because that 410 area is a beautiful area. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, I think we're going to bounce big fly today.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
I hope anyway.
Right. That 410 area is not bad at all. What, anybody else looking at anything else right now? Look at the 5 minute. 5 minute completely oversold. 15 minute. So I'm looking down here at the RSI right here. 15 minute, we're blue on the RSI. We're oversold. The 1 hour, oversold on the 1 hour. The 4 hour time frame, oversold on the 4 hour time frame. The 1 year, 1 day time frame, we're not oversold, but we're oversold on a lot of these areas, right? I would definitely be hesitant on buying any type of puts at all right now. Y'all, we went from 420, we down to 412. We moved down. If we see a hard push down towards that 4 to the bottom of this order block, this 409 area, 48 area, I would be looking to buy in on a potential call opportunity. Okay? That's one thing I'll be looking for. Keep a look on Apple, how Apple's operating too. We had a nice 15-minute push up on Apple, and we kind of holding strong right around here. Holding strong. Amazon, nice push up. It's trying to retrace some. Okay. Now the market can continue to fall down, right? The market can continue to fall down, but I would be weary on buying puts. Okay. I would be weary on buying puts. It's too much historical buying pressure at the area that we're currently at to be actually buying puts right now. Okay, it's 9:57. We got 3 minutes till 10. 3 minutes till 10. And if you have questions on the YouTube channel, just ask your question in the chat. We'll go through them. What's going on, Mike Harris? How you doing, brother? One of your partners hit me up the other day, Mike. One of your partners hit me up the other day. Make sure you use the affiliate link. Got somebody from Harlem in the building, uptown, downtown. I don't know why I like saying that. Trying to hear somebody from Harlem or New York, I say uptown, downtown, the boogie down. What is it? Boogie down Borough, boogie down Bronx, something like that. One of them.
I have no idea, man.
Okay, let's keep going. So right here, go to the 5 minute time frame. This is what we're looking like right now. Okay, kind of give you guys an idea of what we're looking at. So if you're new and you've never seen me trade live before, these blue lines right here, well, five of these lines, these are pivot points. Okay, these are strong areas. Okay, strong areas of support and resistance based off of a calculation from yesterday's previous day high, previous day low, and previous day close. Okay, so we have this orange one right here. This is the pivot point. Okay, this is the pivot point. As long as we're underneath this pivot point, that means puts will be in play if you just basing strictly off of pivots, right? But when you have other indicators like we have demand zones and like our demand zones and order blocks and things of that nature, you understand that, hey, puts are not in play right now, right? The puts have happened over the past 2 days. But these are strong levels of support and resistance, okay? So when the stock comes to these particular levels, they could possibly bounce off of these levels and reverse, or they can go through those levels and break. If they break through those levels, the opportunity for you to get in on a retest. If they bounce off those levels, the opportunity for you to get in on the push back up, okay? Chris, which days should show how I get and learn the buy and sell chart? Say that again, DD. Say it one more time, DD. Will you trade during the 2 p.m. FOMC meeting today? No, I will not trade during that meeting today. Actually, I will not trade during that meeting today. Hold on one second.
Is there a meeting today?
Yeah, that's what I was just about to do. That's what I was just double checking. I don't think it's an FOMC meeting today. I didn't think it was. I may be wrong. I might be looking at the wrong calendar date. Let's see.
Man, I hope not. I'm a live trade today.
Let's see.
Yeah, I was gonna try to get in on that spot today. If not, I'll save my trade date for tomorrow.
Right.
That FOMC is.
No, it's not. I didn't think it was the FOMC today. No, it's just the minutes. Got it. It's just the minutes. Okay, it's just the minutes. It's not a meeting. I didn't think so. I said we just had one.
The minutes.
Yeah, it's just the minutes. Yep. So the minutes will be released, but we kind of already know what was said because the most part we had the high level overview of it. But uh, yeah, so I will not be live trading during it, but may be in a play though. When is your next mastermind? The next mastermind is June 26th through June 30th. For the upcoming mastermind, do you trade live like this each day? Yes, every day Tuesday. We do it on. We don't do it on Monday, but we do it Tuesday through Friday. Tuesday through Friday in the mastermind we trade live. Why won't you trade on the meeting? Well, if there was an actual FOMC meeting, I was gonna tell y'all, listen, we're just gonna be talking because I'm not pushing no buttons, right? Until 2 o'clock happens. But there's just the minutes coming out. I don't trade on the FOMC meetings because when the market open, I mean when Jerome Powell speaks, everyone should listen. The market definitely listens. Okay, so everyone should listen, and the market definitely listens. So I'm not willing to put my money into the market in the morning time because it's not going to do anything major except for consolidate, because everybody is waiting for Jerome Powell to tell us if he's about to raise interest rates, keep interest rates the same, and give us direction on which way we're going to go. The chart you have on the right, which video will show us how to do? Okay, that's in the it should be in the how to buy and sell using active trader video in your portal. How to buy and sell using active trader in your portal. Okay. All right, everybody. So right here on the 15-minute time frame, let's take a look at see what we actually have. 15-minute time frame. Right now, everything is like we have some of the indicators pushing down. Right. We have decision making time. We have decision-making time right here. Then we have a nice push down, and we're pushing down, right? We're pushing down directly into, right? We're pushing down right into our order block, our demand zone, okay? We're pushing down into that demand zone right now, all right? What do we know about the demand zone? I call the demand zone Big Mama's house. Chris, why do you call the demand zone Big Mama's house? Back in the day, or Nana's house, right? Back in the day when my grandma had like 6 boys, and whenever the boys would get in trouble in life, they would always come to Nana's house, right? And Nana would make sure she feed them, make sure they have clothes on their back, food on their table, a bed to sleep in, all that good stuff, and she would nurse them back to health. Okay, she would nurse them back to health. So when she nursed them back to health, eventually they come into Nana's house or Big Mama's house, and they bounce out and leave. It goes back up and they leave Big Mama's house or Nana's house and go back into the real world. So when the stocks come into a heavy order block or a 4-hour demand zone, they're at Big Mama's house. And what Big Mama's doing for them right now, Big Mama is praying for them. Big Mama is feeding them. Big Mama is nursing them back to health. Big Mama is preparing them and getting them back ready to go into the real world again. And when that real world, they get ready, you're going to slowly start to see this thing push up and boom, break out of that demand zone or that order block, okay? Does the mastermind teach you how to set? Oh man, the mastermind setting resistance, support and resistance is the first thing we go over in the mastermind. That's probably one of the smallest things we talk about.
Yeah, that's solid.
Right, that's the smallest thing we talk about.
Surface.
Yep, the mastermind is we go over everything in the mastermind. Like I literally give y'all. People say I give too much. Honestly, that's what people say. They say for the price. But.
Hey, he's not lying. And that mastermind is fire.
For sure, I learned more in 5 days than I learned in 2 years.
That's crazy, right? You say he learned more in 5 days than he learned in 2 years. It's crazy. Man, look at us go though. Look at us fall. Where y'all think we going though? People,
Man,
where y'all?
we going up.
You say so? You saying 410? You think you like 410 too?
I hope. I don't, but I hope it stops there and goes up.
It's heavy right there. I'm not gonna lie. It's definitely heavy right there. It's definitely heavy.
Wrong level right there, so.
Yeah, it's heavy. So we moving on. We scrolling on down. Anybody seen any news or anything? Let's see. Russian defense ministry says warship attack. That's Ukraine. Market Clubhouse morning memo. I don't see anything major as far as news right now that could. Remember we was on a call yesterday, and and I had went to the Discord chat, and Trader Joe had said those spy puts, man, those spy puts paid too.
Yeah.
Good gracious, those spy puts paid. They paid.
Hey, CJ, what's going on?
What's up, bro?
You see, quick question. You think SPY gonna bounce off 410? Do you see it breaking it?
Yeah, so I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at 410 to 409, right?
Okay.
The more, of course, the more favorable entry would be the 409. That's the on the 4-hour time frame. That's the bottom of the order block, 409,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
But the last time after that 2-day run we did previously, it bounced off of that 409 and went crazy. So
Did you see? Go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Did you see that? So I got an order. I mean, a zone from like. Hold on, I'm gonna tell you exactly what it is.
Okay.
I got a zone. It's a gap. Matter of fact. Hold on 1 second. It's from 407 to 4703 to 4899.
Mm-hmm.
I used it last week also. It bounced. Matter of fact, 512. It bounced off of it and went up to 512. It bounced off that zone and went to 420.
Yep, that's exactly what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I don't know if you saw that gap or not either.
To my right, so you talking about on 512, right?
Yeah.
So 512, we were. Let me go back to 512. Right here, 512. That zone right here, yeah. It's beautiful right here. This is where it all started at right here.
Yeah, it's real good.
Yep, that's where it started. So my whole thing is I would love to see this. Like if it comes down to that 409 area, that will probably be my entry point, right around this area somewhere right here.
Gotcha.
That would probably be like a favorable entry point. Now, if it breaks that, something's going on as far as some major news or something's going on. But we'll definitely see how far it goes down. Like right now, everything is oversold from the 5-minute time frame all the way to the 4-hour time frame. Everything is oversold, right? It's oversold. We're in this demand zone, right? So right here at the bottom of my order block, this is really basically that same area where we bounced from, right? If we go to the 4-hour time frame, I'm gonna extend this order block out so we can see it. Watch this. Go back. Take a look at that, right? That order block, this whole area right here. Look how long we've been inside this order block right here, this gray area. Let me go back a little bit further. I can. Okay. Let me slide this over. Now take a look at it. We came into this block. We in this block right here. Boom. We hit this 408.88 and boom. Kept hitting it, kept going. Then right now, if this S2 that we at right now, the support 2, that's the last time we bounced down and we took off into that 420. So we're in a great area. A great area. Okay? A great area. But this has been a nice sell-off though. This has been actually a massive sell-off from that 420 down to this 410 right now. We done went down $10 in basically 2 days. All right. Like I say, me personally, I'm not playing anything to the downside. That's just me personally. You will not see me buy a put at all. I don't care even if puts make thousands and thousands of dollars. I'm not buying the put. I'm not doing it. Right? Not saying that you shouldn't, right? But I'm just saying I'm not buying puts because I feel like the put play has happened over the past 2 days and we came right back to where we were and where we had been consolidating before we broke out. All right? So we back in that consolidation box right now.
Good stuff, Jack.
No problem. How everything been going, bro?
Everything been good, bro. Can't complain. I ain't been asleep yet. Then work third shift and still at it, trying to get it.
I feel you.
Yo, today's my Friday.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
What you working with?
I'm off till the first after today.
Oh man.
Driving drunk anyway. I'll be on the market though.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, don't forget Friday I think the market's only open till 2.
And then we're closed on Monday, right?
Yep,
Yep, closed on Monday.
Yes.
Oh, for the holiday?
Yep.
yep.
So definitely don't force anything, y'all. Don't just because the market closed on Monday and Tuesday, half day on Friday. Don't force nothing. All right.
Those days gonna suck anyway. I'm never good on Mondays and Fridays on the market for some reason.
Ashley Comer, are you going to wait on a retest of 410, 409? If it does happen to come down to that 409 area, I will probably go ahead and buy in. I may get in light just to see how we operate in it, but that's probably gonna be one of the places I go. Will you be using Thinkorswim? Yes, Marcus, I will be using Thinkorswim. How many times should you paper trade before you do a real option trade? I tell everybody do 100 paper trades. Do 100 paper trades before you open up that real market, because that real market will, what do they say, chew you up and spit you out if you ain't ready for it.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, definitely paper trade for as long as you can.
Exactly. Get comfortable. Get comfortable.
It's a roller coaster if you don't. I mean, paper trading even, like, you can get in the market and play that paper money.
Yep, you can take more chances, more risks, try certain things, right? Get that, get it out your system, then actually start doing it like you're really truly focusing on it, right? So yeah, definitely paper trade. Ashley Coleman says 119 left before I blow my account. Appreciate the free game. Let's not blow that account, Ashley. Focus on it. That 119 you have in your account right now. Don't think about where you came from. Think about where you're trying to go. I don't know. Think about where you're trying to go, right? So if you got 119 in your account right now, start saying, I want to get 10%. I want to make $19. I want to make $15. I want to make $16. And let it start doing what it's going to do. Okay? Yeah, you're right. It's like they say, it's nothing really prepares you for that real money when you put it in, because those emotions tied to it. Man, I tell you. All right, what we got? Right mindset is everything. You right, Sam. You're definitely right. All right, let's see. 5-minute time frame. We still just rolling on down. I think we're respecting that 1-minute time frame right now. Take a look. 1-minute time frame. Push down, come back to the 1 minute. Push down, come back to the 1 minute. Push down at the 1 minute. So we're respecting the 1-minute time frame right now. What it is, what it ain't. I've been taking trips. All right, let's see what Amazon is kind of fluctuating. Apple, nothing right now. The VIX, the VIX rolling smooth. The VIX is rolling smooth right now. VIX rolling pretty smooth. SPX, 15-minute. Look at that. Nvidia has their earnings today, right? Yeah. 524 after the market. Yep. No worries, Ashley. No, you fine. So yeah, so how I got my gray box and all that stuff, right? So when you're looking at demand zones, you're looking for places where you're looking for. Let me go do this 4 hours. You might be able to see like some of this 4 hour time frame. So say for example, right here on this if I'm looking at SPY right now, okay? This is SPY, okay? And we see that we have a demand zone where we've been kind of just consolidating, and then we had a huge push up, an aggressive move up. So I could come right here and look at this candlestick right here and see that I had an aggressive move up, a nice long wick. I can take this wick right here, take this the wick, take that wick and bring it all the way over, and that can be a demand zone for me because that's where we had a nice strong push up. Also, down here, I can put a demand zone right here as well because we had a nice, we was going down, down, down. Boom, we stopped and pushed up. That's a strong push up, meaning buyers was right there. And I can draw this as a demand zone down here, this 404 to 406 area as well. So that's kind of basically how you kind of look at those particular demand zones and supply zones. But we also have indicators that map it out for us as well. So it's good to have the indicators, but it's also good to be able to do them yourself just in case the indicators go away. This is my
That
first.
was a double bottom too. Was that on a daily?
Yeah, that was a double bottom. This is a 4 hour. Crazy, right? Boom, boom, boom. Take off. Nice double bottom taking off. Yep. Nice double bottom took off. The 4 hour time frame. Right now. So tell me something, Miss. Look at that. You call that double bottom out. Where are we right now? We're right now at another double bottom. Take a look at how this look, though. Take a look at how this look. I'm glad you pointed that out. Take a look at this. As soon as I want to show something, my screen go haywire, right? Take a look at this. Look what the stock did. Right? If we start right here, we went up, came back down, double bottom, right? Went up, consolidate, 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 go up, make a new high, come down to a double bottom. A higher double bottom than the previous double bottom, would you say? This double bottom at the moment, this double bottom right now there is higher than this double bottom that could potentially be forming right here. Just smaller nuances to look at, right? Just smaller nuances to look at.
Man, today's looking better and better.
We're gonna see. All right, we got some on that S2, everybody. We got 30 minutes, 30%, 30 minutes, almost 30 minutes of consolidation on top of the S2. On top of the S2, almost 30 minutes of consolidation. 15-minute candlestick, 15-minute candlestick. Yes, you have unlimited access to the Mastermind course. Once you purchase, you have unlimited access to it. You can watch it 50 million times if you need it to. Sean Hand, this is my first participation with a group of like-minded individuals. I just joined the Mastermind course. How do I join the community on Facebook so I can get the extra support? I'm from Fresco. Oh, Sean, there should have been an email that you received with a link to the Facebook group. But if not, just send me an email. We make sure that we get you added into the Facebook group. No worries. All right, let's see what's going on, everybody. Let's see what happens when we come back to this moment of truth. Remember, on the 15-minute time frame, we call the moment of truth when the 9 EMA right here. This green line is the 9 EMA. When these candlesticks are coming, when it's been pushing down and the candlesticks are coming back up towards it, we call that the moment of truth. Okay, we want to see what's going to happen when these candlesticks come to this green line right here. It's called the moment of truth. Okay? The signs are there, but I got to see this VIX. I want to see this VIX slow down some. I definitely want to see this VIX slow down some. This VIX give me an inverse hammer. Oh, like it's trying to form on the 15-minute, huh? This VIX give me a reason to say no. Say we finna go back. Apple. See, Apple, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, ES. Okay. Anybody see anything else? Let's see what Square doing over here. Square kind of going with the flow right now.
Yep, I forgot to tell you yesterday. I had it in my paper account though. The Square. It was at 266%.
Nice. Everything kind of just falling right now. I love it though. I love it. Nvidia still following Netflix. Netflix trying to do something, trying to run up a little bit. Just right now at this moment, I don't see I see my opportunity. So right now, what I want you guys to kind of think about, what I'm looking at in my head is, I see my setup is almost here, right? My setup is almost here for a reversal. Like mentally, what I'm thinking about is a reversal right now, right? I'm not playing to the downside. I'm playing to the upside based upon the levels and the zones that we're currently at. But I just need more confirmation before I enter into my trade. And I'm gonna go ahead and come over here and get prepared for it. So I'm going to all products. I'm going to, what's today's date? Today is the 24th. Go out to June 1st. Go out to June 2nd. Let's see, we got some volume on June 1st and June 2nd. This is spot SPX. Let's see. I know. Like this one got some volume. This can't be SPX, is it? Oh yeah. I'll change it to 60. There we go. That's better. 25-cent delta. $0.20 delta. Got some good volume. All right, I'm gonna come over here. Oh man, why y'all didn't tell me I was buying puts? That was the put side. I'm over here buying puts, trying to buy call. I'm about to be screwed. The market go. I'm about to be screwed.
You on the wrong side?
I'm definitely on the wrong side.
Look, I'm driving, just having to look down. I was like, wait a minute.
Man, I'm about to be like, yeah, let's go. The bounce happening. I'm gonna see my P&L going the opposite direction. I'm like, no, Lord, help me. Help me. Man, good geesh. It's some good volume on that call side, on that put side, though. It's some nice volume on that put side. Interesting. Be patient. I'm gonna stick to my guns, though. Be patient. Whew. That was a close one. Got some good prices on these calls, though. I love it. Great prices on these calls. All right. So I got my calls set up for when that time is, when I'm ready to get in. What just happened? Why did my screen go away? Oh, okay, there we go. I really would want to see it come more down to this 409 area, right? That 409 area. That's really a great place to get in at. Okay, let's see. Questions. Would you still recommend paper trade with options if you've been buying and holding for a couple of years? Oh yes, Malcolm. Oh yes. Buying and holding. The emotions from trading stock options is 10 times different from the emotions of buying and holding. It's 10 times different. So yes, trade 100 trades, execution, seeing the strategy, because you're now when you're if you're day trading, right? But if you're gonna be buying out 6, 7, 8 months and kind of holding options, you can you probably don't have to do 100 of them. You can do a little bit less. But if you're gonna be day trading, you should definitely be trying to get that 100 in. Because the thing about it, Malcolm, is if you buy Apple and you hold it for a year, right? You buy 100 shares of Apple, holding it for a year. If I buy, not say you holding it for a year, you have it for as long as you want to, right? But if I buy a contract and get 100 shares of Apples on contract, I will make more money from my contracts than a person would if they actually bought the shares, because with options, if it goes the right direction. But there's still that risk factor in there as well, that if it could go the wrong direction, right? Boom, boom, boom. Michael Harris, guys, he's going to give you guys the real teaching that can truly change your life. Appreciate that, Michael. Appreciate that, bro. Ashley, so do you only make trades that correlate with other stocks, or will you take an individual stock? No, I trade individual stocks as well, but I fell in love with SPX. I fell in love with SPY. And I treat everything like a relationship, right? I don't see how people do. We got people in the program that be trading multiple stocks at one time. They be like, listen, I just made this on SPY and on NVIDIA. I be like, man, how do y'all do that, right? I cannot do it. My nerves cannot take buying more than one stock at a time, right? My nerves can't take it. I mean, one time I was in Tesla and Amazon at the same time, back when Tesla and Amazon used to go haywire. I thought I was about to pass out. I said, I never felt a feeling like this a day in my life. I just started hitting sell button. I don't know if I won or not. I know I just hit that sell button real quick because I couldn't take it, right? But I normally trade SPY. I fell in love with one stock, and I trade that one stock to take me to wherever I need to go, right? That's kind of how I do it. But I definitely look at my big five all the time. I like NVIDIA as well, but I look at the big five: Amazon, Apple, Google, Microsoft, Meta. I look at those all the time. Boom, boom, boom. Christopher Holmes. Chris, for the people who took the previous mastermind, do we get access to future masterminds? Yes, you do, Christopher Holmes. You will receive emails with the instructions for the link and all that good stuff. You get unlimited access. Oh, you ain't missed nothing, Sam. You ain't missed nothing yet. No, you ain't missed nothing yet. All right, so it's not too much action going on. The market is going down right now, but we're in this order block, in this demand zone. Okay, in this order block, in this demand zone. Oh, 1 second. When is your next mastermind? The next mastermind is June 26th through June 30th. I'll put the link in here right now. And that's the link for it and the dates for it. All right. So check this out, everybody. This is something that just happened, right? On the 5-minute time frame, nothing major happened, but it did happen, right? So we was pushing down, decision-making time, decision-making time, decision-making time, decision-making time, decision-making time. What are we? Chris Brown, Jagged Edge. Boom. Chris Brown, never right time to say goodbye. If I don't make the first move, you're going to start hating me. So boom. We start falling down. The market's going down. The market's going down. The market's going down. The market's going down, going down, going down. Kind of came back up, fell back down. Then we came back to the 9 EMA on the 5-minute, pushed back down, and we're sitting on top of this support too. Okay? Sitting on top of that support too. And check this out. Take a look at this right here. Take a look at this. This is a nice size candlestick, but everybody, look at this fit. Now, this is the story. Now, this is the part right here that everyone should focus on when it comes to, are we at a reversal? Have we found the bottom of this downward push, right? We want to focus on right here. Miss Sis said, Chris, I'm now seeing it. I got in on SPX puts off of S1 411.08. I was down 250. Then I got out on the 410 support level and made 400 paper money. I'm learning how the candles move and how the good stuff, Miss Shepherd. Everybody, CYC's in the chat for Miss Shepherd. CYC's in the chat for Miss Shepherd. Good stuff. And that's the thing about it. Everybody, I'm telling you, listen. When it really starts to, it hits you and you starts to see it, and everybody, I put everything in relationships terms, right? So don't get mad at me when I'm talking about this relationship stuff, right? But think about this. I put everything in relationship to R&B music. Think about this. Think about when your previous person, somebody you dated, right? When you finally realize that that person was not hitting on anything. That person was not the person they was portraying to be, right? All of your friends seen it first. Okay, he or she's not good for you. He or she is toxic. They're not good for you. They're not good for you. You didn't see it because, no, this person, this and the third. You don't know him like I know him, all this stuff. You don't know her like I know all this stuff, right? And then When you finally see it, it clicks. It just out the blue, it happens. Think about your previous relationships, somebody you're in a negative relationship with, and you saw it, and it's like, no, this is not the person for me. Because the person for me wouldn't be treating me this way, or doing this to me this way, or talking to me this way. They would respect me more. The same way when you saw it then, when you was younger, and you saw that this person was not for you, XYZ, is the same way in the market. When you see it and it hits you, you can be like, holy crap. I see it. I see it right now. Right? And it's going to be like game changer. I remember the first time I saw it, I was trading Amazon and the H pattern hit. And I saw that H pattern. I say, man, Chris, you done seen this thing 50 million times. It's an H pattern. It's forming. It's about to break through. Boom, I got in. Made so much money on Amazon that day. I was like, holy crap. I saw, it was like a holiday for me. Like, it was literally a holiday for me. Literally a holiday. And the thing about it, once you see it, that's the time for you to go harder. That's the time for you to practice harder, look at it more, because now your eyes are open to seeing that, okay, let me understand this true story of the market. Like right here, for example, 2 weeks ago, was it, I think 2 Mondays ago, everybody?
What we're looking for.
Hey, Agram, look in the, somebody in the mastermind, in the Zoom chat, post the link in the, please post the link from this Zoom into the Zoom so Aiden can jump in. Post the Zoom link in the Voxer chat if you don't mind. All right, we about to post in there right now, Aiden, so you can jump on in, bro. But yeah, you would really start to see it, and it's gonna be it's gonna be really like, it's gonna be a game changer for you. So that's the opportunity for you to go harder and harder, because you actually seeing that, hey, this is what it is. This is how it's going to go. This is how it works, so on and so on. Okay? 15-minute time frame. All right. Only thing, so right now what I'm seeing right now is I do see that we're consolidating here. But one small thing that I do see that's just kind of nuance, right? We're still making lower highs, right? We're still making lower highs. This high right here, lower high, lower high. Okay, we're still making lower highs right now. So the drop down can truly come on down to this 409 potentially right now. Okay, still not, for me, still not a point of entry at this moment, right? It's not a point of entry at this moment right now, because the buyers are still not showing up at this very moment right here buying in. Good stuff, Carol C. Good stuff. Say it again.
Think we'll hit that gap on a 15-minute?
Which one are you talking about? What are we looking at?
SPY.
Right around here? What gap?
Right around, what's that? Wait a minute, because I'm on my thing trying to look at it.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Between 414 and 412.
Oh, gotcha. Yep, yeah. Possible. I definitely believe if not today, tomorrow. Right? I don't think we close Friday, but in a 408, 409 area. I think we in the 410s, 411s, 412s, 413 type thing. So we'll see. I don't know. It's a good question. The thing that's really concerning for at this moment right now is the buyers are not stepping in right now. They're not. If you look, they're not stepping in, because we got 15-minute red, 15-minute red, 15-minute red, 15-minute red. We got a green one forming right now, but we got 10 more. We got 10 more minutes for this one close, and they're not really stepping in and pushing this market at all. Like if we go back here, let's go to the 1 hour. We go back here to when that push started. You see how we're trying to push up right here. We're attempting to push up on 1 hours, but we're getting push downs. And what we're looking like is looking like this right here. Today is looking just like this day right here. Big boy reds came to this 410 support level, tried to fight it and break up some, and then boom, flooded back down. And then it happened right here at the bottom of this box right here. Okay, the bottom of this box. That's when it happened. Take a it's crazy. Take a look. Look right here. Take a look at this. Look at this right quick, y'all. Look at this 15-minute candlestick right here. I mean, this hour candlestick right here. And then we go back to where it started at. Where was I? Do you remember where I was at just now? I have no idea. I can't remember. I lost it. I completely lost where I was at. Yeah, I lost where I was at. I can't remember anymore. But it was going to be interesting what I was showing you. If I find it again, I'll let you. We gotta go over it. But if we look at this 1 hour candlestick, it is red, but it is more bullish than it is bearish, right? It's definitely more bullish than it is bearish, which is a good sign. You see how it plays out. Thank you, Emery. Appreciate it. What? Go ahead.
No, I'm just saying, yes, sir.
And Emery, you took your square profits, right?
I'm actually steering square, but I have my stop loss at 50% profit, so I'm not going to make any less than that. So I'm going to make at least 200 on that trade.
Good stuff. So, good stuff. Good stuff. So with your stop loss, is your stop? If you look at your system right now, do you actually see your stop loss right now, or is it?
Correct. I can see my stop.
Okay, so you did a GTC, good to cancel.
Correct.
Okay, good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right. What indicators are those? The non-EMA. The non-EMA is the green one. The yellow one is the 21 EMA. The red one is the 200 EMA. There is liquidity at that 409 level. It could sweep. Yep, exactly. And that's what I'm looking for. Just Riffling just said it. Down here, we want to see this big push down. We wouldn't mind seeing this big push down to this 409 and then a huge bounce right off that 409. That means the people are coming. They're coming. There's some stop losses set down here that the market trying to come down here and grab. They're gonna come down here and grab this stop loss. Boom, 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 and shoot on up. And that's what I would love to see for the rest of the day. It would be an amazing, beautiful, lovely day. Lovely day. Lovely day. Lovely day. Let's see. Hey Chris, could you show how to use a trailing stop on Active Trader? That's the only thing I'm confused of. So it's right here. If I wanted to come in to do a trailing stop, for example, say for example I want to get it at a certain place, I can come here, right here where it says single, and say I want to go to TRG with bracket. Okay, TRG with bracket. Go right there to TRG with bracket. I just want to do a trailing stop only, so I unclick this top one right here. I come down here where it says stop, change it to trail stop right here, and then I change mine to a percentage. I might say if I want my trail stop to be a 10% trail stop. Booyah. Good to close, and there we go. That's how you do it, my brother. And then right now I can hit buy market. It'll buy me in right now. It'll buy me in right now if I do a buy market, and it'll set me a 10% trail stop loss. Okay, 10% trail stop loss. And matter of fact, I'm going to keep that just like that too. So when I buy in, I'm going to go to a 20% stop loss though on this one. And I will probably be buying 4 contracts to start off with. Got my setup. So when it's time to buy in, I got my setup already set. I'm buying 4 contracts, 4 call contracts. I have a 20% stop loss already set. So as soon as I hit buy market, it's going to automatically set me a 20% stop loss. So I will only be risking 20%. Okay.
And on Active Trader, you can only buy market. You can't buy the limit on it.
Yeah, you can buy limit. I can go right here, right now, and say I want to buy in when it's at 12.80 limit price. I could press it right there, and then once it comes to that level, to buy in for me. See, the only problem is what I don't like about Active Trader. This is my only thing about Active Trader. I can't correlate what this mark price, this price right here, means to the actual stock price. So I don't know if 12.5 is 414 or is it 409. I have no idea until I start doing my practice. I have to go down here and just click right here. Okay, this is at 409. Boom. Click right here. This is at 410. Click right here. It shows on the screen at 411. Right. That's the only way I can kind of know. So that's the only bad thing about it.
I believe Alan the other day on class,
Uh huh.
if he showed us on his screen, he's got on the far right.
Uh huh.
I think he put PL open on the settings.
Yeah, that's PL open right here. It shows you how much money once you get in the trade, it shows you how much money you're winning or you're losing. That's once you get into the trade though. But as far as like trying to find out what spots you're getting into the trade on the chart compared to the trade price, I haven't found a way to do it. If somebody else have, please let me know ASAP. That'd be a game changer.
Doesn't it mark on your chart? I think may have to go into your chart setting where
Yeah.
you can show your position.
Side.
Where it? Show that to me. Where it?
I think let's see. Go to your beaker glass.
Right here, studies.
No,
Oh,
the other beaker.
oh, right here.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think I have to see it.
Oh, you can't see my screen.
No,
Oh, you're talking about where it says the study.
it's like it show your general, the appearance.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, the square right here. I mean, this right here, chart settings. I got you right here. And got general price action, price axis, time
It's
axis.
It's not showing on our end, so I can't see it.
Y'all can't see.
Yo,
This?
Chris.
Oh, I know it's wrong. Let me do this. There we go. Okay, what about now?
Okay. You're under general,
Yes.
and I think it says show my positions or show my.
I see show trades,
Yeah, show trades. Show trades.
show trades. It say display this setting. All right, show trades. And what is it supposed to do again now?
It'll pop up on your chart of where you got in at. Once you get in your trade, you're not in your trade yet.
Oh yeah, once you get into the trade, got you. Okay, yeah, got you. Okay, cool. Yeah, see, I want to see where I'm getting in at before I get into my trade, right? On active trader.
Go to the gearbox on your option side.
Right here
I think so.
or right here.
Or the top one. Yeah.
And then add PL open, I believe it was. He had it.
No, so the PL open is right here.
Yeah, he has that, but it doesn't.
It doesn't show
until you're in a trade.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
I thought it was showing the whole time.
Exactly.
No, you have to be in the trade and they'll show it.
Gotcha.
That's a downfall they need to fix.
Yeah.
Exactly. They need to.
We want to know all the details.
Exactly. We need to see everything. It made life 10 times easier. Godfrey, what expiration date are you or do you advise to get in for that? So I'm in a 7-day. I think I might be an 8-day expiration date. So I might be an 8-day expiration date if I'm not mistaken. I tell people to stay away from stay far away from those OTDEs. I know they so cheap, and I know if they go the right way, you can make a whole lot of money. But I say, listen, man, stay away from them because I'm a lower risk type. I'm a low risk type person. I'm not gonna try to take the crazy risk. Give me a safety net at least.
And the market made billions of dollars on them zero DTEs.
What?
Yeah.
Just taking people's money on them zero TDs.
Taking their money.
You ain't lying. Because the thing about it is you're looking for that one play to happen, right? But it's like 15 plays that can happen to take your money. Right? So yeah, they make plenty more from zero DTEs.
And like you say, all it takes is 1 cent and it adds up.
Yep, that's true.
Hey Chris, quick question. I got on
1 cent.
I just got on Chris. I was trying to see when you changed up right there on your active trader. Why is that on Mark? You probably already said it, but I didn't hear versus TRG. What's the difference in those?
Are you talking about right here?
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Oh, it was actually right there the whole time. But that's the mark price. Once the mark price get to that level, once the mark price get to this level, it's gonna sell at that 20% level. That's all. It was automatically there. Okay. I didn't change it at all.
So
What I changed this one right here. Oh, you said GTC right here?
No, the TRG. Like, what's the difference with the TRG and the?
Oh, so that's just that's your target, right? So if I come right here, watch this. Let me do this right quick. So if I go, this is single, right? I go here to target, right? Yeah. And when I come right here, I change to a trailing stop. It's gonna change this to a mark price for me.
Oh, okay.
So now it's saying, okay, it's 10% of the mark price that I basically whatever I get into, basically, right?
Okay.
That's gonna be the trail stop.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yep. I was just trying to see if there was something different.
Yep, no problem. And then I changed it to GTC just in case if I swing it, it's good to cancel. That means basically it'll do it overnight as well.
Yeah, that's why I messed up before forgetting to change it to GTC, and then it closed out that same day and not even realizing it.
Exactly. Okay. How everything been going? How the baby doing?
Oh, she good. She just got up. She had up at 4 a.m. playing peekaboo. That was not what I was looking for. I'm like, oh no.
Yep.
But she good. Yeah, she just got waking back up, got to for it. You know, she took her long, got doctors. I had to be up earlier. But
Gotcha.
It's all good.
Oh, I got the document. I'm looking over it. Gonna make some updates to it, and then I will set up a phone call with the guy and kind of go from there.
That'll work. Appreciate that.
No problem. All right. Just Riffling, Chris, do you study ICT concepts? We do this in our year-long coaching program. Well, not the year-long program anymore. So our lifetime coaching program, we do go over ICT. We do go over ICT in that program. William Brown, I lost a huge profit from one of my previous days buying 0 DTE by accident once. Yeah, stay away from 0 TDEs, man. I'm telling you, just stay away from them. Stay away from them. Good geez. Listen, when I first started trading, I was like, I'll never forget the first time I lost $5,000 trading. I remember like it was yesterday. I had to take my kid in Charlotte at Concord. They had a dinosaur thing. And I was in Tesla. It was a Friday, and me and the kids, we about to go up there to the dinosaur thing, ride around, see the dinosaurs. I'm in a Tesla trade, and it's 350, right? 350 on a Friday. So you know what time it is if you think about 0 DTE. It has 10 minutes before that contract is dead for life. I bought in like $3,000-$4,000. I was already in a trade, right? I bought in like $3,000-$4,000 on Tesla. I think I tried to buy Tesla cars. When I tell you my delta went from 1,000 to 3,000 to back to 1,000 up to 3,000 because it was the 0 DTE and it was about to expire, man, ended up losing $5,000, man. I'm telling you, I wanted to go punch every dinosaur I saw at the dinosaur place because I was so mad at myself. I was like, Chris, you're gambling now. Like, bro, that's the dumbest thing ever. That's before I had self-discipline in trading, right? But it was like I lost $5,000 in really like 10 minutes, and I was like, holy crap, Chris, what was you thinking, man?
Those dinosaurs didn't do nothing to you.
They didn't. Well, they didn't at all. Forget them dinosaurs, man. I wanted my money back. and then I couldn't trade again until Monday, and I was like, man, listen, it was horrible. I was like, man, you gotta be kidding me.
Stick all weekend.
Right.
Some dinosaurs are like them stress balls that you squeeze to get that stress relief.
Hey, exactly. Jurassic Park and all, man. I say, man, I was so upset. I think we got a picture on Facebook of when we smiled. We were smiling, had to take a picture of that stuff. I'm like, bro, I don't want to be here right now. Oh, well, yeah, it happened. You live and you learn. I never want to go back to those days ever again. When you get through that cycle of really, because my thought process was I can make a quick $10,000 off of this if it goes the right direction, but lo and behold, it did not go the right direction, so I lost. Good stuff. Any other questions? Gonna wrap it up about 10 minutes. Right now, everybody. There's no place. So I'm not, like I tell everybody, I don't force a trade. I will never force a trade. So there's no play right now that's in play for me. I do have my play that I want to take. I want to play a player to the upside. I could get in. Say if I got in right now, I could get in right now. But if I got in right now, I would be basically getting in the middle, and I do not want to do that. I want to get in at the right time, and that right time for me is right around this area. Okay, right around this area. Even though we're holding strong right here. Pamela she got a toxic relationship with Tesla, playing with your emotions. Man, listen, it does the same thing. right? Right around here, we can see a push down, people. We can see a push down to this 409 area. Even at that 409 area, we could break, right? I'm looking right now I'm looking through some news to see what's going on as far as the news. If anything major is going on. U.S. House Speaker McCarthy to hold press conference at 11:45. Okay, everybody, 11:45. Speaker McCarthy is going to hold a press conference. In that press conference, he could say something like, hey, we came to something about this debt ceiling, or we can say what he said yesterday, we are nowhere close. Debt ceiling negotiations at a crossroad, 168 hours left before the U.S. government runs out of money. All right? So keep in mind, everybody, what happened was this. This is what happened. On this day, I think it was this day right here. Right here. On this day right here where the market went crazy and pushed up, that was the day that President Biden came on and spoke, and he said that we're going to get to a conclusion on this debt ceiling, all that good stuff, if I'm not mistaken. I think that was the day, right? And that's when the market went bananas. It went crazy on a crazy 2-day run up, right? Then we get consolidations. Nothing happened, nothing changing. And there's no close on the debt consolidation. Then we come here and we get news that they say, hey, we're nowhere close to a agreement on the debt consolidation. And now you're seeing the debt ceiling consolidation, whatever you guys follow. We see a push down happening. Boom, push down happening. Right back to this same level that we're at right now. So at 11:45, that's going to be huge to hear what is going to be said at 11:45. If 11:45 coming is strictly negative, we could break down for the rest of the day, and I may not even break down, but could consolidate for the rest of the day. I think right now we're at a low point. We are at a good low point. Maybe a 409, 408 area is probably maybe the lowest we could possibly go, which is not a bad push down, but we'll see. William Brown, LO, I really thought mine had a 7-day expiration, 1,500. Man, that's crazy, William. Hey, listen, it's horrible when it happens. If it goes to 409, will you still get in? Yeah, strong possibility, yes. Strong possibility, 409 is still my level of interest.
Hey, Chris.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget to change your target with bracket settings to where you want them with the 20% trailing loss. You changed them when you were explaining something earlier.
Oh, I appreciate that.
Yes, sir.
Oh, man, appreciate that one. Good geesh. Good stuff, good stuff. Because you know what, I would have been getting in. Next thing, as soon as I got in, getting right out. 1% stop loss. What in the world just happened? All right, good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff. Everybody, they say people say, not people, but they say that like button, man. Hit the like button on YouTube. If you're on YouTube, hit the like button, the like button, and the bell notification, all that good stuff. They say that stuff helps out. It says that stuff helps out. I'm not a YouTuber by no means. Everybody, I'm a trader. Right? So I literally come on YouTube. You may not see a thumbnail on no video. You may not see a thumbnail on a video. You may not see none of that stuff. You may not see nothing in the description box. You're just gonna see me pop up there looking, smiling, and talking. Cause I'm not a YouTuber. One day I may get better at it, but right now I just be putting stuff. I just be coming out here just to talk and tell you guys about stock option trading. So one day I get better at it in life. I'll be a YouTuber one day. But right now, you may not see a thumbnail. Sometimes you might not even see a title. You're just gonna see me pop up. But I will do better in life, I promise. Yep. Miss Shepard's right there on YouTube. Right there on YouTube. I think it's like Christopher Jackson Options 101 on YouTube. What stock is that? SPX? Yeah, SPX. So, yeah, I confuse a lot of people when I do this. So what I do is I trade SPX, but I chart SPY. Okay? I trade SPX, but I chart SPY. The reason why I do it because I trade live a lot, right, with people in the program and here and everything, and the numbers are smaller, right? The numbers are smaller here, right? If I go to SPX right here, you'll see the numbers are larger. Okay, the numbers are larger on SPX. So I like to trade SPY. I trade SPX, but I have the SPY chart up. They do the exact same thing, so it's nothing major. The VIX actually looks pretty strong, everybody. The VIX looks real good. But it's failing to break above this level too, though. The VIX is failing to break above that level. Look at this 1 hour time frame on the VIX. It looks strong on that 1 hour time frame. Why you chose your delta? Do you buy in the money? No, I buy out the money. You will never see me buying in the money. Out the money is far cheaper, and you get a better return as well. So if I buy out the money, I'm going to buy that stock at a cheaper price, and I'm going to make it. Say for example, if I buy a call out the money, I'm going to buy it at a cheaper price, and say the stock goes the direction we want it to go, it goes up. I'm going to make more money than you, whoever buys in the money. Yep, I'm going to buy more. I'm going to make more money. Cheaper price, more money. All right, so unfortunately, everybody, no trades today. Anybody got any questions before we head out? Any questions before we head out? Any questions at all? Did anybody get into a trade? I know Miss Shepard did. Anybody else got into a trade? Real money, paper money? Anybody else test the waters today? How far out money? How far out the money? I bought 7 days out. Hey, could you show us how to set up the 21 and 9 EMA? I just hit the like button. Can I get some help accessing my mastermind? Please, LOL. Those classes are the truth. All About Business 77. Yes, All About Business 77. Send me an email to that to chris@iwantknowledge.com. chris@iwantknowledge.com. How far you start off in the negative when it's out the money. Oh, Jay has got it. Listen. Okay, so listen, he asked a great question, everybody. I think this is a good question. This is a great question, right? So Jay has asked a question. How far in the negative do you start when you buy out the money? So he's saying when you buy out the money, are you already losing money when you buy out the money? Don't think about out the money and in the money like that. It's totally different, right? Out the money does not mean that you're starting in the negative when you get into your trade. Out the money means you're just buying a contract that has not yet reached that particular stock price. So if I buy right now, this SPY's at 410. If I buy 420, I'm buying out the money because the stock has not reached 420 yet. Okay, that's what that means. So when I buy out the money, if I was to get in right now, I'm not negative just because I'm $10 away from the actual price. It doesn't work. It doesn't operate like that. I can be positive as soon as I buy in. I can be up $100 as soon as I buy in, depending on which price or trade price I get in at. So don't look at it as, if you buy out the money, you're going to be in the negative, automatically in the negative, and if you buy in the money, you're going to be automatically in the positive. That's not how it works. Paper money call, play on a pullback. Paper money call, play on a pullback. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. But right now, we're staying underneath that 9 EMA on the 15-minute time frame as well. So just be patient. That 409 level is now very much so. That 409 level is coming to be more and more true. Okay. If it doesn't go to 4, I would need to see a break of the 9 EMA and hold. I would need to see a nice bullish candlestick, and I would need to see so I think I would be looking for a nice bullish candlestick, and then the next one I would be looking for it to go down less than 50% of that candlestick and then wick back up. Okay, that's what I would kind of be looking for. Anybody got any questions inside the Zoom chat?
Nah, I was thinking since the holiday weekend, I'm thinking maybe swinging fuel energy contract. But people gonna spend that money for the holiday.
Send me some plays that you're thinking about looking at. I'm gonna take a look at them too.
Okay.
All right, thank you. All right, couple more questions I'm gonna take. I'm new here, but just want to say, C-Jack, this has been an awesome, informative 2 hours. Appreciate you sharing your story. Hey, no problem, James Allen. No problem, no problem. Boom, 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 boom. Sean, send me an email. Sean, this is the Sean that's in the self-paced course. Sean, is this the one that's in the you're the one that's in the self-paced course, right? Send me an email. Well, you actually got my phone number. Just text me. I think you have to change the color symbol link in order to see what you're buying, where you are buying at. Elaborate more, DJ Smith, please. How can I take your course? How can I take your course or have in-person classes? We have a virtual mastermind where we on Zoom. I don't do anything in person at the moment, but we do it. We have a virtual We have a virtual classes through Zoom. It's a 5-day mastermind, and it's June 26th through June 30th. I'm swinging XOM up 16% today. Congratulations, everybody. CYC in the chat for FLAZ06. Congratulations. All right, everybody. So once again, we have what just happened? 1 second. My wife gonna kill me. She said, Chris, we gotta go. I know we gotta go, babe. Like, I gotta go as soon as the trade about to start going through the place. But anyway, so everybody, what we got going on is this. Once again, this is Wealth Wednesdays live trading session where I trade live with everyone just to kind of show you guys what stock option trading is all about. Some days we make trades, some days we don't. Some days we win, some days we lose, right? But so June 26th through June 30th is the next 5-day mastermind. The link is in the description of this video as well as in the chat. You can join into that. Also this Sunday we have a free webinar as well. This Sunday, a free webinar. You can join that as well, okay? Everybody, y'all have a good one, and I'll see y'all next time. I'll praise to the Most High. Everyone in the Zoom chat, we will see y'all later as well, okay?
All right, have a good one, everyone.
All right, have a good one. Boom, boom, boom.